Hi there, so today we're going to create YouTube thumbnails. And for that, we just need to scroll down here and go to social media and email headers. Then click on YouTube thumbnails. So there are many different YouTube thumbnail templates available here, but first we need some royalty-free photos for that. Right, royalty-free photos basically are a collection of stock photos. These have licenses that allow you to use them freely on any platform. Of course, you could always just go to Google image search and steal some photos from there. But if you do so, you might get in trouble. How? If the owner finds out that you're using their photos without their permission, then you might get sued. And that's not good to steal someone's work without their permission, right? That's why it's important to get royalty-free photos for your thumbnails. So now, you might think about where to get them. Basically, there are some sites that are paid where you can buy royalty-free photos, and there are free options there too. I will show you both of the options in this lesson. So first, let's go to Google and type shutterstock.com. Shutterstock is one of the biggest stock photo platforms out there. So here, you can type your keyword and search for the kind of photo that you need. For example, let's type a generic one. So they have 190 million royalty-free images for that word, but you have to pay for them. That's why let's have a look at the pricing. So here, the cost for the image. So you can download 10 images by paying $29 per month, which means you can download 10 images per month for that price. Again, that is if you pay for the annual fee. But if you're going to buy only one image, then it is better you pay monthly. So 10 images per month is $49. 50 images is $125 per month, and so on. So, in case you are in need for a single project of 5 images, it will cost you $49 on Shutterstock. So I'll show you another website where you can get royalty-free photos. It's called Pond5. Just type on Google Pond5. Pond5.com is one of the world's largest stock photo and audio library. You can buy any kind of royalty-free photos on Pond5. So let's just see some of the images together. Again, type in here your keyword. That's what kind of photos you are looking for. For example, let's say we want office photos. So again, there is a paid site, which means you have to pay for the royalty-free photos here. So let's just click on one of the photos here. Okay, so you can see the pricing for the XL size, it's $40 for this photo, and 5,130 pixels to 3,420 pixels. For the large size, it's $28. For the medium size photos price, it's $16, and the small size is $10. So this is how much a royalty-free photo cost in Pond5. Then there are some sites like Placeit and iStockPhoto.com as an option. But now I will show you a better site which is also free to use, and it's called Pixabay.com. Just go to Google and type in Pixabay. And I repeat it again, this is a totally free platform, which means it is better than Shutterstock and Pond5. This is how search looks on Pixabay. For example, let's type something general. Let's type in woman, because maybe we need a photo of a woman for our project. So here's some available royalty-free images on Pixabay for that word. Let's click on that. As you can see here, when it comes to license, it says the COO, Creative Commons, that is the license for the photo. Remember, Creative Commons license provides a flexible range of protections and freedoms for authors, artists, and educators. This means it is free for commercial use, no attribution required. Because some photos require attribution where you need to link back to the credit the owner. Okay, but this one is on Creative Commons license and no attribution required. So you can use this for your commercial projects for free. Let's take an example. To download this photo, just click this free download button here, and here you can choose the size. So there are 640 to 299 pixels, 1280 to 799 pixels, and so on. So we can get the large size. Okay, here it is already downloading. One thing to mention here, Pixabay doesn't only have photos, they also have illustrations and vector graphics. So Pixabay offers free vector graphics. So let's just go here to one of the vector graphics here. Okay, let's just click on one of these, and if you don't know what is a vector graphics, let me remind you. Vector is a graphic type that even if you make an image very big, it still doesn't lose the quality. So this is one of the examples of the vector graphics, and again, it is totally free for commercial use and no attribution required. Designers love vector graphics because even if, for example, you make this image very big, it will not lose quality, because the regular photos, if you stretch them, then an image will pixelate. The quality will become low, and if you decide to use a photo for a billboard, the quality will be much lower and it will pixelate. However, if you use vector, then the quality will remain the same even if you use it for as big as a billboard size. On Pixabay, you can find free photos, illustrations and vector graphics, and they also have some stock videos. So if you need some stock videos, let's say for your YouTube channel, you can find some royalty-free videos on Pixabay. As you can see here, you can find some samples of royalty-free video on this page. So let's see how we can download videos on Pixabay. It is again as simple as downloading an image. So again, Pixabay is where you can find royalty-free pictures, videos and vector graphics. Now, let's go back to our YouTube thumbnail task and let's choose one of the graphics here again. So, for example, this is our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and let's upload the photo here. And we will use the photo of woman, and you can upload your own image, of course. Now, let's just copy and drag the photo here. Then let's move that here, and then let's change the text. So, we can make that top 20 makeup hacks. We can stretch it like so, and then we're going to change the color of this one. Let's make it pink, and then that's good for the background here and on the left section, and then we can choose this, top 20 makeup hacks. So this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Simple as that. Now let's download it. For that, we click download and then choose PNG or JPG. Either way is fine, and then click download. So now let's go to YouTube and then we're going to change the thumbnails there. This is the YouTube channel, and if we're going to change the thumbnail, let's go here as you can see where it says change image. So there are 4 thumbnail options here. We need to click on the last one. Then click change image, and that's going to upload our thumbnail. So let me just check the title, if everything is all right. You can click change image and then type the thumbnail. Now the image is uploaded, just click save changes and refresh the video. Actually, it will take a while before the thumbnail shows up. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to update the thumbnail, but here you can see now that it's already been saved.